Here's a school garden update. All the rain that we had recently started all the lettuce seeds that were in this bed here. So they've all volunteered. So I've just basically come along in the last week and just pulled out a heap of them here and then spread them all around. And when I say spread them all around, they're everywhere. So I didn't put them along these ones. Got the snow peas and the tomatoes looking good. Okay, there's all the snow peas and tomatoes. Probably have flowers shortly. We've got flowers on some of these other peas. And more of the lettuces in here between each of these beans. Just trying to keep it all costing the least amount of money. And, yeah, put seeds in and spread them around. Thanks for watching.